Good morning, fellow gardeners. I'm showing you my vegetables I have planted in my gallon water bottle containers. These are there. These are not vegetable. This is a fruit. I forget the name of that fruit. This is a fruit. It's not a vegetable, but these are my cocoa trees. This is the time when cocoa trees are dropping, getting new leaves, but something is putting holes in them. They're getting new leaves, new buds. These are my tomato trees that I told you about that I have added to my container bottles. And here you can see my pepper, my bell peppers. This one is bearing, they're starting to develop nicely. They're starting to develop nicely. Here you can see my other plants. These two are starting to grow nicely. The peppers are growing nicely, the cabbage, the kale, even the few bits I have left. Okay, even them are starting to develop. The remaining ones died out, but they too are starting to develop nicely. This is my two other. If you look closely, you see the buds are growing. Usually around that time, cocoa will drop off the old leaves and shoots and send new shoots. Right down there is a shoot. They're very young still, and I have not transplanted them, but they are doing well. See my tomato plants I have in my apple bag. Look at this one, this cocoa tree. They'll drop off the leaves and have new shoots. New shoots. I haven't seen a branch on the side. So I'm showing you this morning. I'm showing you how it's just patience. My vegetables in containers are working. It's working. Cabbage. My tomato plants are growing nicely. Here. My kale. And I don't know what kale is. I'll have to go and look at I don't know if I should start eating it now. I have to look at the name. The name in on the packet I have inside. Yes, so this is how my plants in my gallon container bottles are coming on. They're doing well by the grace of God. I hope that it'll continue on that same level. I just put some more baits. You guys see some of them are being beaten. I put some more slug bits, snail bits for them. So I'm encouraging you. This is my motto. I'm encouraging you to plant at least one thing to start a garden. Might be a very small garden, but it will help with your economic bill and even your health, because you know what you'll be putting in your plants. Yes, and I'm encouraging you to grow organic, because that's how I'm growing. You can see that what's happening. My apples, they should be bare, and I have them for about 3 years, going to 4 years now. So I'm encouraging you. Plant a garden.